Talking about past experiences. Talking about past experiences is an important part of daily conversations. We use the past tense to share what we did, where we went, and what we learned. One common verb tense is the simple past. For example, I visited Paris last year. People often talk about past holidays. For example, I traveled to Spain with my family. They also share what they did there. We ate delicious food and visited old castles. Talking about past school experiences is also common. A student may say, I studied hard for my exams last month, or I joined the football team when I was younger. Work experiences are another topic. For example, I worked in a cafe during the summer. This shows skills and activities from the past. Sometimes people talk about funny experiences. For example, I lost my umbrella, but then I found it in my bag. We can also talk about important life moments. For example, I learned to ride a bike when I was 7 years old, or I met my best friend in primary school. Travel experiences are very popular in conversations. Someone may say, I went to the mountains and saw the snow for the first time, or I took a train across the country and met new people. Past experiences also include food. For example, I tried sushi last month, and it was delicious. Or I cooked pasta for the first time yesterday. Sometimes people share experiences with hobbies. For example, I painted a picture in art class, or I played the guitar in front of my friends. Sports are also part of past experiences. For example, I watched a football match in a big stadium, or I scored a goal in my school team. We can use time expressions like yesterday, last week, 2 years ago, in 2020. This makes the story clear and easy to understand when talking about past experiences. We can also say how we felt. For example, I was happy, I was nervous, I was excited. Sharing past experiences helps us connect with others. It shows our memories, feelings, and what we learned in the end. Talking about the past makes conversations more interesting and personal.
If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all the new updates.